Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today we will once again be going over basically just the overall markets through the ETFs, like the SPY as well as QQQ. We'll kind of be using these overall larger market ETFs to kind of replicate what we would be doing in essentially real life with in terms of actual trading here. um, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty big today. We do have Powell coming out and talking about what the BPS hike is gonna be for the US. Europe's already come out and it's not very great. The expectation was roughly zero point 0.5 BPS, and now they did 0.75, and officially, I guess, somewhat in the area of uh, a true recession out in Europe right now. As for the US, Powell really talked about here how the basically pandemic gave too much rise and too much more dire consequences. Powell basically also stated that the pandemic contributed to restrained supply as well as a shift away from services and goods as an overall. Um, Once again, the reason why this is quite big is the fact that, once again, Paul's basically saying that we need to keep going in terms of BPS hikes and overall hikes until we get the overall job done. And once again, this isn't great for long-term investors, or at least investors who want to make a potential entry soon, just because, once again, what are we supposed to do, right? Like if the BPS hikes are going to continue to rise, and we're just going to be mostly sitting here. And Paul also talks a lot about how very much of his view is that we need to act basically now, with strongly against inflation, and the Fed basically accepts responsibility for the price stability, and the reasoning behind of like why basically it's so shaky, just as like an overall. The Fed Powell also talks about how his view and we need to act forthrightly. His message as the Fed accepts responsibility for price stability. Longer inflation remains above target. Greater the risk if Fed Powell's history cautions against prematurely loosening policy. Yeah, so not great. Not for Powell. Not for Europe. um, as for just overall SPY, we had a very nice bounce that was happening yesterday. We kind of knew it was coming though. Now that we see if there's a continued move higher, we're looking quite bearish to start the day. Once again, once we got all the reports from Powell and from Europe, we may be followed by like a bullish second half, or like perhaps even tomorrow. Strong resistance above us at 4015 break would kind of be looking pretty good for calls. Beneath that, I really wouldn't be looking for too many calls. But yeah, same thing kind of with QQQ with Nasdaq here. We're kind of looking for the same type of move, this kind of ABC move, as well as to kind of complete this upward correction before continuing to the downside. And yeah, we kind of want to look for the upside. Just once again, we are down a significant amount. SPY, for example, here, closing yesterday roughly 397.5. Currently at open, 10 minutes out, but currently 395.70. But yeah, just some big levels to pay attention to. But yeah, other than that, we'll kind of just be getting into just some larger macro news. Of course, I mean, I did talk about Europe, but just getting into like the actual, pieces. The bank basically said that its key rate to 0.75% from zero. It was the second hike this year, following a 50-point basis in July. Again, this was maybe the precursor in terms of the signal for further rises that were likely later in the year. However, we just weren't having that high expectation of, at least from Europe, that we were going to hit 0.75 this time. We may have thought it may have been the fourth meeting, which would have been later in December or November. But once again, we were kind of just hit by this, and Europe, once again, just not looking great. We've seen the Italian bond market, for example, up like 26% in just the last year alone, when in the past 5 to 10 years, overall, it's only up 50%. We had oil, right? Oil, we're getting held back by like 100,000 like barrels from Russia right now. So lots of stuff going on with Europe, and Europe as just an overall not looking great. And now with this coming in, it's basically talking about how with governments piling on debt to show consumers, basically later in this month it could exacerbate strains on the region's bond markets, kind of as I just stated with Italy's. And then the last piece I was kind of looking at was it increased to 4.3% from August from 4%. Right now, 0.75 increase. I think inflation for us is still at roughly 7.5. So you've still got a decent amount of way in terms of getting to like the actual high inflation. However, this number will really ramp up, especially with the target being of 2% by the ECB. Um, so once again, something to pay attention to here. We know again, this seems like it wouldn't matter because it's on the exact opposite side of the world, but this actually does affect us in terms of whether you trade or whether you invest because the energy sector as of right now it already is quite heavily oversaturated. However, um, trading the markets like in the energy sector like with XLE for example, or with other energy stocks or ETFs, they really make a large difference because the reality is that us trading those energy stocks or ETFs here in the US will actually affect people out in Europe and basically depending on whether or not if they get energy. But yeah, good morning, Drew.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, sorry, I'm just finishing up some news coverage real quick if you don't mind.
Owl talk already.
Yeah. So Powell basically said that no bueno news. He said that.
What did he say?
Okay. Kind of already went over this, but pandemic basically gave rise to a lot more dire consequences than was kind of was kind of in the headspace for. And we probably wouldn't have seen as such high inflation without COVID. However, the pandemic also led the shift away from the services to goods, but also contributed to a lot of constrained supply chain like management stuff. But the biggest part of his entire speech was saying that we need to basically keep going until we get the job done. And basically his view was that we need to act forthrightly and super strong on inflation. History cautions against prematurely loosening policy. And yeah, basically we're until we're under target. Powell seems like and the Fed just seems like they're gonna continue to go. So yeah.
What a guy.
I know. Also,
What a guy.
yeah, seriously. But also we have ECB, so European. Expectation was 0.5%. Now theirs is 0.75% as well. 13.25% for their rates, and that's a 14-year high for them. So lots of stuff going on in there as well. Yeah, Europe seems to have just gotten completely rolled over. So, not great stuff coming out from them either.
So we're gonna break this 390 today.
I mean, the overall idea is that we are probably gonna get like a complete like throwdown, like in the like basically morning time, into potential like bounce second half of the day. But yeah, I think there's gonna be high likeliness of continuation move, like just moving down, like for this morning session. But yeah, not very good. Not very good. Supply does seem to be sitting at the 200 though. On the 5-minute. But yeah, yesterday was insane. Holy shit, Trey. It just...
Yeah, I looked at it at the end. I was like, what?
It just went up chop, up chop, up chop. Like... Oh, and then by the way, every time it did pull back, the Bollingers literally just called it. Like, it was just like,
Yeah.
oh, there it is. Okay, we go back up now. I was like, okay, cool, man. What's going on here? Also, there's a tweet. So, 3 times more put options bought in the stock market than in the 2008 financial crisis. What?
Oh, people wanted to be ready this time.
This is insane. Last week's panic hedging was 3 times more extreme than 2008, and this is setting up to be the repeat of the 1987 crash. Holy.
Yay. Michael Burry was right.
Well, I still thought we were gonna get moved higher to like 410 to complete like the Elliott 5 wave, but
I think it's still possible. Cause when is the next Fed meeting?
November? December? Whoa. Huge news. Rivian and Mercedes are planning to partner for an electric van?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what? That's crazy.
Dude, I've been seeing a lot more like Rivian cars
Really?
in California. Yeah.
Which is surprising, because, like, you'd imagine you'd see more of them out in the Midwest. Because
Yeah.
Rivian's based in Detroit, is it not? Or
I
something like
actually don't know, but you see them now in like California.
that. Damn. That is interesting.
So at least they're making cars. Some of these EV companies don't even have any like deliveries.
That is true. What is it? No, Lucid's finally delivering, I guess. But yeah, there are some that still are just not delivering at all.
I actually like the Lucid cars
I
more
do
than
too.
the Teslas.
Yeah, I like the design of the Lucid cars.
Tesla's like too basic for some reason.
Well, I feel like because like now the entire like everywhere has been saturated with it though, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's fair. Oh my goodness, 2 minutes to open. We shall see which way we go. What to do today, Trey?
I'm gonna give it a second though.
Yeah, same here. Oh my goodness, Trey. So I played basketball last night and volleyball the night before, but
Uh-huh.
I played for like a very long time for both. I probably played for like 3.5 hours. Oh, we were selling at open.
Jesus.
But I played like a lot, and oh my god, oh my goodness,
Yeah.
whoa, that's a lot of volume.
Yeah. I was in like a few seconds.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, so so I played for like 3 hours last night and 3 hours the night before, and oh my goodness, my like legs are like broken, like hurt to like move.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it was a long time. Probably too long, to be honest.
Look at that. Look at that.
But yeah, big bar, holy. That's a lot of volume. I think we continue to sell off. Yesterday we had trouble at what? Getting up to 394. Maybe we see support there.
Yeah, 394 was yesterday. It kind of like chopped under it for like a good 30 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Also, where have been like the Tesla 10% intraday moves, you know? What's been going on with that?
Their options are too cheap now.
I
Just
know.
not worth it.
Tesla tapping basically like 280, like 707 here. 280's been big for them. We shall see, we shall see. Kinda just waiting this one out. Very volatile this morning.
Is this the fake bounce?
I mean, yeah. We might flush, like, on the 15-minute. Uh-oh. Blowing a 15 minutes as calls, but that's also because we went down, like, 0.6% at open. Or 0.7, I guess. What's the 4 hour saying? 4 hour, not saying much. What to do, what to do. Spot going down to 394 here. Maybe. Maybe not. We are getting Veru calls coming in flow. 12 calls coming in. Veru. Some people entering in at 49 cents. And Veru 12 calls here. But oh my goodness, yesterday was brutal. Oh, what? They opened at 16, closed at 11:45? What?
Huh? Like for what?
So I was looking at flow coming in, like big flow, and like Veru VRU. They opened yesterday at 16:24. Bottom of yesterday was 10:78. They dipped like 35%. Intraday trading, not even before hours.
That's crazy.
Yeah, holy. Spot kind of just pausing right now. Oh, we are getting SPX calls coming in though on flow. Uh-oh.
I do not want to buy anything right now.
That's very fair. 5 minute finally closing here. Yeah, we have flow coming in on the 4,000 here. 4,000 call, 3.0 right now is where the flow is coming in at.
$4,000?
Mm-hmm.
Like 0 DTE?
Yep.
What?
Yep. It's not like a huge position, but I just noticed it because of 0 DTE, so. A 394 retest, maybe? I mean, if you want calls and you're trying to call bottom, then I guess this is where to do an SPX.
Yeah.
Off this morning, like flush almost, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, Trey. YOLO one contract.
Maybe. Because, I mean, even at close, the last candle was like, the last 1 minute candle was 5 million.
Yeah, I saw that too. Uh-oh. Dang, maybe I just get one. Like, that would be basically purely just playing it on a flush on the 15-minute then. We are getting buy signals here though.
I mean, it might just fill the gap from yesterday, which is 397.
Yeah. We are starting to get increasing volume here. Tree.
Yeah. I would probably just play it out till 397.
Yeah.
Power and calls. But I don't
Ooh, off
know.
this candle maybe?
Should I just get one?
Thinking about just getting one.
Oh, yeah, I want to get one.
I'm thinking about that too. Right at the 9 here. Oh, we're getting definitely increasing volume here.
I don't know. I don't know, Caleb. It's kind of scary.
It is scary.
Because this chart is like 50-50 for me.
I mean, this chart is down for it's puts for me actually. I mean, we just came off of that much, off of that move pre-market. Also off the momentum of Powell. How do we not move over, you know? But calls just say F you, you know?
Yeah. Should I get in?
I'm thinking, yeah, just one. I want to wait like a little bit towards candle close, but yeah, this would be the place to do it. Larger red candle still increasing volume on the 1 minute. I mean, unless we completely revert down, but... Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, good thing I didn't get it.
Just better entry, eh?
It is a better entry.
Oh my goodness, this is so risky though.
Yeah. I might just wait until I see a trend. Yeah, I am not gonna waste buying power.
Fair.
Even if I miss it, I miss it.
Pausing candle on the 5 minute though? Actually?
Maybe. Because the 30 minute looks like doo-doo.
Yeah.
I guess if it breaks this 394, it'd be good to buy puts.
Yeah.
Let it down to 392.
Gosh dang it, Tree. We missed the better entry. Oh my
Oh,
goodness. What is that in golf? Oh my
oh,
Tree! Nah, I'm
Caleb.
never forgiving you.
Ay, ay, ay.
Genuinely,
Ay, ay,
that's a
ay.
50% 1 minute bar right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tree, I'm
Ooh,
never forgiving you.
I'm never forgiving me either.
I'm gonna be sad for the rest of the day, and that's all of your fault. Not mine, your fault.
Do I see this candle though? If it pulls all the way down, that'd be
No, I don't think it does.
very
That
good.
momentum is crazy. I think we move higher.
Yeah, that's on good volume too.
Continual
397 did it.
increasing volume here.
I mean, you could still buy and play it up to 397. That's like a dollar move. Now it's too late. Because the risk to reward is just not good enough. Oh, Caleb.
Tree,
Why?
I think I might cry, actually.
This is like 100 and something percent now, right? Like 100,
Oh yeah,
I think.
yeah. And it's all of your fault.
It is all my fault. Forgive me.
Ah, I actually called it too. The 4,000 flow.
Which contract was I gonna buy? Oh my god. It is up so much.
Ah.
Well, this will be the gap fill. I
Yeah.
think soon. It has like 650 more cents to go.
Tree. Why? 1 minute we do have sell signal though. But it might just be a closing signal, not like an actual short signal.
Oh, the gap. Oh. Oh, that's so sad.
I know. Literally told you better entry, bro. But yeah, I think best entry, I think I could have gotten was like 2.6 for 4,000s. I think they're above 5.2 right now, so. I mean, yeah, in theory, we move all the way to 397 to 98.
Yep. Oh. Oh. This is the 200. It's like, nope, there's no 200s there.
It's non-existent. What are you talking about, Trey? Support and resistance? That ain't a thing.
Oh, are we gonna retest 400 again today? I mean, technically it's not too late, you know? But that would be pretty crazy. Like 400. It would be green.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the rejection off the 200.
That is.
Will it bounce at the 9? it's over the 200 on the 5.
Yeah. I took the puts tree. I didn't fade my algo.
Nice. How much are you up?
I bought SPY, not SPX, but I'm up 10%.
Nice.
12.5 now.
I touched the 9.
Guess that would have been a perfect exit in theory, just touching the 9, but okay. Today looks like it's choppy. I just want to lock in profits. Alrighty, I'm out for 8.25%.
Nice. Oh.
Whatever, I will take it. Tree, I'm just so sad we missed that move though.
Yeah. Should've just bought off the 9 again.
Yeah.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Oh, the flow looked amazing too, Tree. I mean, yeah, I think we break day highs, so we move up. 398 easy. Gonna grab calls. Can we close over, please? That's not good. 3 pullbacks from this touch. Damn. Rejections. Lots of selling. Supply and demand is no bueno. Wait, what? Tesla getting halted?
Not halted.
Yeah, it is. Oh wait, no it's not. What the heck? Why did they say it was getting halted? No, Tesla's just having this move up though. Oh, 285 break too? Oh my goodness, Tree. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Tree.
I get calls.
I love calls here. They haven't broke 285 in like since like the 29th, so over a week ago. Last time they broke 285, they ran up all the way up to 287.5 it looks like, until they went for the retest. Yeah. Guess guess that would be exit and entry right there. 287.5 or 287.
Yeah, I kind of want calls on SPX.
Yeah. Breaking over day's highs. I like it, I like it. Getting this close over, this big level. Lovely jubbly. Retest down. It's 397.72. That's the touch. That's where perfect entry probably would have been. That was actual perfect entry.
Should I go? Should I get it?
I got one.
Oh.
Not SPX, I got Spy. Because again, I know it's on. So SPX not for me anymore.
No.
Oh! Whoa! What the heck?
Yeah.
That's brutal. God damn. Okay. Alright then. That was...
What is this? It's gonna be slow?
Not only is it gonna be slow, but it's also gonna just wick to the moon and back.
No, I like this.
Yeah, decreasing volume here too, but we did break over this resistance, I guess. I'll just hold until we close over 397 or 396.7. But yeah, today things are moving very, very fast. Bruh. Well, back to break even.
Oh,
Slightly
dude, what
red.
the fuck? You know what the fuck? This is.
I mean, I like these wick backs. These are the wicks I like to see. Like, we're still not making lower lows yet, so I like these whip backs above 396.70. Yeah. We just need to close like this, please. Okay, we do close like that, but then they're like, no. Why would we ever want you to make money?
Huh?
No money for you. I do like that though.
Nice.
I do very
I'm
much
on
like
15%.
that. I'm at 15% too.
25%.
I'm in a pretty heavy position here. I'm getting out half a position here at 2.68 at 39.750s as SPY. Entry was 2.25.
Dude, what the fuck?
That is brutal. these calls getting destroyed here. I'm glad I exited half when I did. Damn. Large pullback. Jesus. Alrighty. Well, getting out other half. 2.3. Still somehow turn profit, but not terrible. But yeah, that was brutal. That just erased like all the gains on a single candle move. Once again, reason why I took calls there. Again, volatile move up. We're most likely gonna chop or like flag in some type of way. On the one minute. Can I speak? On the 1 minute chart, we're making 3 wicks back above the support line of 396.70. Basically, we're also not making lower lows here, right? We're still trending upwards. Also, although volume wasn't like great by any means, we still got increasing. Although, like, once again, this break was on low volume, which was rather concerning. But we did have increasing volume heading up into this move. Just led me to believe that we were going to make this move higher. Again, my target exit was up at 398, but we also got top of bowling right there, so I exited half there. Didn't really think that this candle would have been as big as it was, but yeah, it was alright though. Could have been worse. Still exited half at 2.68 and then other half at 2.3, both for gain, but not as much as I would have wanted. I exited the first half for roughly 19%. The other half, I mean, that's pretty much break even anyways. So, total position wise, 9.5%. I guess 2 for 2, even though I guess percentage it wasn't like great, but I don't know. I think risk to reward on that last trade wasn't like terrible though, right, Tree? Like, just waiting for that close if we do get it. So, I don't mind it. So I had chopping here. Again, these wicks on the 1 minute are brutal. 5 minute chart. Yeah, still trying to make this move up. Once again, volume has just decreased continually across these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars so far. So just be careful if you're still trying to head into calls here. 398 seems to be the area, but once again, you also have pre-market high here at 398.75. So just watch out if you are going to be continuing to enter calls here. Could be worse, could be better. But volume is just not great though. Coming off of Powell's news this morning, just seems to have just completely died off, even though we've made this move up. Not terribly confident on continuation here, but we shall see. I mean, yeah, this is terrible. Sub 10k off of first bar being almost above 80. What a day. Tree, how much did you make off that, by the way?
I am at break even because I tried to sell, but my internet disconnected. So now it's back at break even because of theta and stuff. I should probably get out, but I'll let it run a bit.
Yeah, what the? Internet died? Oh
Yeah,
my
I
goodness.
disconnected.
Yeah, it's it. Oh no.
Yeah. I'm gonna get out.
We still get the close over, but I don't think it really matters. Or maybe it does? That was a good close, actually. But, yeah. Volume is just not playing with us today. What's 5 minute looking like? Oh, we just started. Here we go. Running into 21 as well as I think this is 50 and 100 EMA here. Again, while low volume means that you probably won't run through support and resistance as well, it usually just means more to the upside for resistance. Support, like, I want to say that it holds, but I mean, we just haven't been seeing consistency throughout right now. Um, Support, like when we're falling, it seems to be nearly like non-existent. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to grab puts here though. We have increasing volume here off a big bearish engulfing candle here. Yeah, so probably gonna see continuation. Those are the thoughts. Yeah, currently up 5% on position. Entered SPY. Oh my goodness, bro. I woke up today with a bad cough. Entered SPY 394s for 1.5. Bro, having to type this out. 394, 1.6 was the entry. When is this dated? This is 1DT, so 7.9. Nice. Continuation looking really good here. Contract's currently at 1.77. Again, we break this, I mean, yeah, we headed to 396. Relative increasing volume still, so I still like this. Target will be down at 395.36 here, but if we see some type of pop-up slash reversal, I will just be moving my stops accordingly right now. Nice. Huge. Keep going. Contract's currently at 1.87. I'll be exiting half position here. And then trying to wait for the other half down to that other area. Exited half at 1.85. Again, reason, just going over while this kind of plays out here. Reason why I'm taking these puts here, we kind of get like twinsers up here, right? So it's almost basically, in theory, like in terms of a top, right? Candle patterns, right? So again, 1 minute, it's not as confident as we are getting buy signal here on the 1 minute. I may just exit here. Algo's telling me to go long, so don't necessarily like that. Increasing volume's still decent though. I'm gonna leave my stop at 1.70. We do seem to be probably reaching that real quick here, but 1.70 is gonna be my exit out. Contract's currently at 1.74. Yeah, so very close stop here. Just trying to lock in profits. But yeah, sorry, as I was saying, we almost get like a top here. Again, on the 1 minute candle patterns slash whatever, it's not as confident, you know. But you can still call relative top there with extremely low volume, not really continuation move, right? Then we have the support from before, right? This 396.70, right? Ooh, that's a good close. But yeah, we have this kind of top-ish here on low volume, right? So really leads me to believe that we're not going to continue. Even on this like move, or quote-unquote move back up, it wasn't like super confident either, like in my opinion, right? Like this volume that we're getting on trying to retest this previous high here. Ooh, I also have this thing. might be able to like replay this. So, oh, something like that. What the? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I'm like trying to replay this, but like yeah. Okay, so yeah, we get twinsers here, right? On low volume here, we're trying to head back up to the upside here. However, you know, it's just not very confident, and then boom, bearish engulfing, right? Completely engulf the previous candle. Although you don't get the close over this, I guess, support now, following candle when it does come in, you get that, right? So if you missed the entry here, right, you could still get entry here because you do end up closing under that support there, and you're getting that increasing volume off of that bearish engulfing candle. And then again, you get continuation candle, right, into more selling, volume's still looking good. Could have potentially exited there, but again, I still liked volume. And we
Hey,
are,
your algo's spy signal.
yeah,
Get that?
it did get stopped out of position at 1.68 there. Not the greatest of fills, but um, not bad. That's why I don't fade the algo tree.
Yeah.
I guess that's also why I always like set stops when I do see it, because it's always like rather concerning. But yeah, 13% on that position there. Again, I'm just taking these gains as they come, not trying to hit like the 25, 30, 40% bangers here. Going slightly heavier on the position, so. Low
Took
volume
calls
here.
at VWAP, almost at 100%.
Calls a VWAP? Okay, yeah. I love that, actually.
I might sell soon here.
Yeah, I mean, 397.35 should probably be target. Just upper volume, maybe. But, yeah. Stop getting closed under 396.70, once again. That should be your out. Oof. We're just on low volume. It's just really concerning. Like, the fact that we get this move up on low volume is, like, not great. But, it's fine. Yeah. Still 30 seconds if you want to wait it, but just wait for like a tick up and then maybe get out. I don't know. 20 seconds. Still very low volume coming in. Yeah.
I got out.
Nice. What? 75? 80?
It's like 60.
Okay.
Contracts are moving like crazy.
Yeah, contracts are moving like crazy. I think IV's high today too, right? It's still coming off Powell. What is it at? Oh no, IV's fine actually. I think we're just getting a lot of volume right now, because yeah, we're moving very fast. But yeah, I mean, I'll take it. I think. What did I start the day with? I think it was 8%, 9.5%, and 13.2% was the 3 trades today. Again, these were heavier positions, so I don't mind it. They're all about $1,000 positions, so yeah, I'll take it definitely. Up around 300 today, so. But yeah, algorithm saved me from going back to break even on the other half of the position. But yeah, see, like, trade. This is what I'm talking about. Like, with SPY now, like, my, like, risk reward is now, like, a lot more efficient than it was with SPX, you know? Like, the SPX is just like, okay, I'm down, like, 50%. Okay, I'll sell. But, like, you are also up like 100%. I'll let it keep going. You know, it's like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, this is so weird. Such weird movement. Ah.
Yeah. Lots of chop. Wicks. Lots and lots of wicks on the 1 minute here. Wow. That is insane. Oh my goodness.
Dude,
What
what
else?
the freak?
Wait, what?
It's just like up and down. Look at the wicks.
Yeah, these wicks are pretty bad. I mean, kind of makes sense, right? Because of like Powell, but yeah, I don't know. Also, in terms of flow here, we're getting Rivian, Zillow, Lyft calls coming in right now, as well as GM puts. Golden flow, we have Snap calls as well as GM calls as well, and Tesla calls coming in. Has Tesla just been moving the same? Yeah, it's been moving the same. Actually, it didn't even pull down though. That's interesting. I mean, it pulled back slightly, but didn't give up as much as SPY did. We shall see. Probably at the consolidation factor right now. But yeah. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting for another setup. Seems once again volume's like, oh, tree volume sucks.
I know.
I mean the chain is moving really fast though, which is like kind of surprising. I don't know. What else? What else is interesting? Apple maybe? Oh whoa. Apple's moving in a lot more.
Is Apple bad?
Yeah, I mean relatively speaking. I mean, there's more direction though. Also, Algo somehow is just calling top again. I don't know. True. Like, I should just exclusively trade Apple on the 5 minute with the Algo. I don't know what the probability would be of me missing, but yeah, I don't know. I do not know, man. I could not tell you. Yeah, Apple kind of just doing the same thing with the indexes here. Overall decreasing volume coming across. Oh shoots.
Oh, this is so funny. So funny to watch.
Yeah, this is pretty
What?
funny to watch.
This candle pulled all the way down. Now it's all the way up. Very nice. Very nice.
Did you see what not True, what Tim just sent?
What did he
Into
say?
successes? He had GDRX. What even is the stock? GDRX. He look at what they're at right now. What? How did he make 100% on puts?
Wait, hold up. Let me see.
What? Wait, what? Also, do they not have before hours and after hours trading? What's going on here? What am I looking at? Oh my gosh.
Buy's kind of breaking out. Ever so slightly.
It's fine.
And rejected again. The same spot.
Uh-oh. We do get sell signal again. Again, probably just closing those longs. Making new highs maybe? 5 minute, 1 more minute till close here. We are getting sell signals at the top here though. We shall see. Ooh. That's break of day's highs. This is looking good. 26 seconds to close here. Volume's increasing on the 5 minute here. Yeah, same with the 1 minute. Don't terribly mind calls for a quick scalp.
Yeah.
Spy calls 398, 2.50 is what the target is right now. I got a fire fill, modified it slightly up to 2.52 here. I'll probably play this until we get a close over previous day highs here.
We might do 400 right now.
We may.
God damn it, I sold my contract too early. Because I bought it again.
Wait, what?
Like,
Why'd
right.
you do that?
Dude, it was like 4 candles for me that are green.
Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
I was like, no, I gotta sell. So I bought it, it was up like 40%.
Yeah, that's crazy. Lots of volume coming in here.
Yeah, this 400, it's gonna be a big level though.
Yeah, it is. I
So
have a feeling we might get rejected before we even get up to 400 though.
yeah, there's a 398.50, I guess. Like around that area.
Yeah. I think I might just exit like half here at 2.7. It's like 10% right now. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in half here. Let the other half play out. Oof. Slide back down.
Yeah,
Back
there
to.
was like a small trend line. I was falling down, and then it broke. That's when I bought the calls.
I see, I see.
And then it was like 4 straight candles of green, and I was like, I gotta get out.
That is fair. And also it was on really low volume, so like exiting there isn't terrible.
Yeah. And then you're out, like in halfway, you're like, oh, you're getting sell signal. I was like, no, no, not like this. Just wait a little.
Oh my goodness.
That's why I got out. I'll never fade your algo.
Bro, we're getting a
Never.
sell signal on the 5 minute. Oh no! Close,
Okay,
close,
yeah.
close, close. Okay, exited other half at 2.49. So technically a loss on that other half, but not by much.
Dang, I haven't had a red trade. No, actually I did. Oh, never mind. I think one so far this week.
Hey, that's not bad at all. That's pretty good. Oh my goodness, tree. Yeah, that's kind of a stinky trade, but sell signal is a sell signal, so I will not fade it. Only about 4%
Oops,
trade.
sorry. I was talking to someone.
No, you're good. You're good. I was just saying, never fade the sell signal. I don't know.
Dude, I know. Look at that.
Like tree, like
Ah,
I swear, like it actually just sounds like I'm just like making this up, you know? Like, but then like you actually
yeah.
see it happen like on paper. It's like, eh?
Mhm.
That's, what you mean by that?
But dude, look at. It was like exactly 398. Like, oh, it's 49. I mean, it's off by 1 cent.
Yeah, but like,
What the fuck? Where's my Discord? Okay.
tree never fade the algo.
Yeah,
Oh my
right.
gosh, this is like stupid. No, but you should definitely fade the algo like on more on the 1 minute. But yeah, I feel. But like, look at this, right? Like you get the shorts, get the longs, and then I guess you lead up to the 5 minute sell signal on the 1 minute here. So I guess yeah, if you would have gotten puts right away here, you probably would have lost. Probably would have exited if you're holding onto SPX. But yeah, 5 minute was heading to the top there as well. So oh, I need to show you the 1 minute yesterday though. Look at this. Okay, so this is morning, right? We get boom, right? And then here, right? And then we get sell signals up here. Buy signal here. More buy signals here. Sell signal here. Buy signal here. Sell signals at the top here. Buy, into sell, into buy, into close. Like what? Into buy, close, buy, What the?
It literally just calls like the bottom every time.
Like, I mean, 1 minute, like, it's not as good, but like, yeah, this is like crazy, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. This is stupid. I don't like what I've created.
Oh, I like it though.
Oh my goodness.
There's the bounce off
There is
of,
the
I
bounce.
guess, the highs of earlier. was an area, but not
Yeah,
exactly.
I got you. Oh, support and resistance, an area. Do-do-do-do-do.
It definitely is an area because I feel like there's so many algos in the market.
Yeah, I
To
mean,
not be exact.
not only are there so many algos in the market, but like there are also like so many like relatively speaking like good ones, right? That like aren't only just black and white in terms of like ones and zeros of how they like calculate, right? Like a lot of like the really expensive and good ones, they're like deep in machine learning, right? So like they learn from the past, right? And they keep learning, right, on like the data now. So it's
Yeah.
like I feel like this Bollinger algo, like it works now, right? But if you were to ask me in like another year if the accuracy is gonna be the same, I'll probably tell you no, because like I don't know, it just I feel like wouldn't make sense if like from a year from now the accuracy is like the same or better, you know?
Mm.
I don't know. Also, we're back to break even on SPY here. SPY is now green by 0.01% or 0.02. We are making this march up again. Very low volume. But
We hit 400. I'm gonna short.
I'm telling you,
Like even
399.32.
cause yesterday we moved up so high too,
Yeah,
and
we
then
did.
today we're kind of like it's kind of slowing down a bit.
Yeah, but again, this is also coming off of like bad Powell news, so it's like I don't
Yeah.
know, man. I couldn't tell you what's gonna happen by the next hour, to be honest. It's it's rough, but hey, all I know is that I'm 4 for 4 on trades today.
Nice.
I mean, the trades weren't for like that much. I think on average I made like 10% on the trade, but hey, it's not. It could be worse.
Could be worse. Trust me. I've seen worse.
Yeah, yeah. So have I. um,
Oh, you remember that position I had that was down like 90%?
yeah.
That was a good one. All right,
Okay.
let me see what Tim's
What?
thinking that.
Oh my goodness. We
Dude,
do
I
have.
don't know what I was thinking that day.
Yeah, I don't know
Uh,
what you're thinking either.
Obviously I wasn't thinking.
Yeah, I mean we know that tree. Okay,
What
Mara
is
here.
GDRX? What is this?
I don't know. All I know is that it's been a pretty big mover.
Dude, Tim needs to go heavy. Just kidding.
No, if Tim goes heavy, we might have like an actual problem. I'm trying to see this chart.
Wait, that's so weird. It's up so much.
I know, and he got
Wait, how did he
100% on
get?
puts.
How?
That's why I don't know.
What? The chart is just going up.
Going back to 2021. What? Okay, so apparently. Oh my goodness, this looks terrible with the algo. Hold up. Let me hide this all real quick. So with Mara here. What were the levels this guy caught at? 1 second. This is like 18 to 20. Seems to be the box. Okay, so Mara, kind of like a perfect example in terms of 18 to 20. 20 to the upside. 18 to the downside. So, one of my friends just pointed this out. Mara kind of like perfect areas. in terms of respecting support and resistance, right? You do get kind of larger breakdown here, however, but overall and like generally speaking, right, this is how you want to play support and resistance, kind of like on a macro long-term kind of essentially mindset. The reason for this is because once again, you have merit. I know this goes back a lot farther, but if you are like a swing position or long-term trader, this could definitely help you, right? So
Yeah.
when you come up with January here, you get this kind of breakdown, but overall you get pop-up. You go and retest this area. That area happening right around here, right? And then, let's see, next area, right? You're coming back down, retesting that same area right there. Then you come down and, okay, I'm not gonna try drawing all these circles because this is too difficult. But as you can kind of see here, we come back and retest the same level, right? So anytime you really get like trend lines or support kind of hitting the same area, not only once, but you get this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, I think it's 5 times here actually, in theory, it becomes a very strong support line. However, the only reason why I don't necessarily like support and resistance as well as trend lines is that, you know, they work until they don't. And here you can obviously see, right, Mara is breaking down. They finally break out under this previous trend or this previous horizontal support, as it seems. However, again, this wasn't on any crazy volume. You do have somewhat increasing volume heading up to this, but you break it on pretty much nothing. We do get another retest here heading at the mid of August, so recently just 2 months, and then again, you can take this short. Mara, again, really love this idea that, once again, support and resistance, not a true area of, or not a true line, or a specific line, it's more of an area, as we've kind of seen now with around 5 to 6 times with Mara here, and honestly this is probably one of the best examples I've seen in a while, but yeah, something to look out here in terms of Mara, in terms of respecting support and resistance, and basically how it plays out, but yeah. Do, 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 do.
Oh, what to do? What to do? What to do, Caleb? What to do?
I really do not know.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. We are. Dude, this is a trend line up. Why? Very weird looking. Very steep. I like the 5-minute.
I don't like steep trend lines. Steep trend lines are definitely...
Yeah.
What the? I can look at the 1 second chart of SPY?
Yeah, there's one tick too. Like every tick.
Bro, this would actually give me anxiety, by the way. Like,
Dude, yes.
okay, let's
I'm
see the
looking at it
algo.
right now.
Okay, 66% on the 1 second. 66% on the 5 second.
Do you have the one
61.
tick?
1 tick? I don't
Yeah,
think I
Weeble
do.
has one tick. It just goes like do 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 do.
No, I don't think I have the 1 tick, unfortunately.
Oh, you don't? Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunate. Although I think I would definitely get anxiety. Even the 30-second one is just... Oh my goodness. The crazy thing people do, eh?
I'm pretty sure we're gonna end red today. But not like super red. Probably slightly red.
I don't know. I really don't. I wanna say that.
Cause like, you look at the daily chart. This would be the right shoulder, the head and shoulder you're talking about, like this top right here.
Really?
It's at the 9 on the daily too.
9 on the daily.
Remember that one
Yeah,
chart
you're
you
right.
sent?
Yeah.
Like there was like a weird head and shoulder. This would be technically the right shoulder right here. What's a 9 2 there on the daily?
I mean, but I don't know.
It's a weird looking head and shoulder,
Yeah.
but it was the one that you said someone.
Yeah, I know. I just like I would have rather had like this other shoulder form like out here, like October-ish, like end of September-ish maybe. I don't know. Nothing great, but it's
Alright, we'll see what it does at 400.
yeah, it does look like we are getting that test out. Oh, this is such a weak move up.
No, it is.
Get this breakdown
It
and
is
then this
very
volume.
weak.
What's the 5 minute looking like right now? We're just tearing up. Ooh, another sell signal in the 5 minute. Yeah, volume's not great. I don't know if we even get to 400. We may get like an early rejection from one of like the early levels maybe. Also, cool. That's awesome. We have now had 10 unique viewers on the stream, so it's pretty dope.
Oh, I want to go fishing again.
Fishing? Where do you go fishing?
Fishing's I live by the beach, so there's like Newport Beach.
Oh, okay, I see. Wait.
Well, I mean, it's like an hour away or 40 minutes away. But
I thought you lived like more inland, no?
yeah. So now I live more inland. But then
okay.
I don't see the drive as that far because it's like an hour away. But like, I used to live like in Orange County, which is like very close to the beach.
I got you. Yeah. That must have
And I
been
always go
expensive
down there
though, no?
anyway, so. No, cause my parents lived there since like 2000. So, like,
okay,
the house,
okay.
like it wasn't that crazy back then. But now if you go there, dude, it's so freaking crowded.
Really?
And all the houses like doubled in price.
Oh my goodness.
So they're just like houses like like a lot of people didn't remodel or anything. But the property value there. So my uncle bought like this house for like 400K back then. It's like 2010. 10 years later, it's like at $1 million now.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. I had like a step family like out in I think it was Escondido, and it wasn't even 10 years. They bought it in 2016 for like the same price, like 400, 450.
Yeah.
They sold it 2 years ago for like 1.2.
Yeah.
Like what?
It's very crazy.
Yeah.
But I know like definitely Orange County, a lot of people want to move there. You can't even like get a house. How fast it like sells.
Yeah, I mean that is crazy.
All the Republicans are in California.
Okay. Oh my goodness. But yeah, we are finally getting increasing volume on the 5 minute here.
Is it?
I mean, it's weak volume for sure, but maybe we could retest a 9 soon. We did break over at 398.75, which is a rather significant level.
I don't really know if I like this 5 minute chart though. Like the way it moved up.
Yeah, I don't either, but as long as like again this next candle, you don't completely engulf the previous one. I don't know. I think we continue to move. We are getting sell signals here, like on the 5 minute. So maybe I just should shut up and just not fade it. But yeah, it's just my opinion though.
No, I'm gonna wait to see how it reacts at 400.
Yeah.
We might just dump.
I don't know if we're gonna. Are we though? Like volume's weak, but it's better than like what previous days were. Okay, wait, no, but September 6th? What was this? 2 days ago? The volume was consistent. Whoa. Until
Dude,
we
this
got the
would be
massive
like
sell-off.
I guess the first test of the 90 MA on the daily chart ever since it crossed down.
Yeah, I mean that is pretty big. When was the last time it crossed down?
This was the 26.
26? Okay. Hmm. Very interesting.
So when it crosses up, yeah, it usually bounces the first time it crosses, and then it retests. Oh, except for down here. Never mind. Long dated puts here?
I really want for us to get back up to like 410 for me to go long data puts.
Yeah.
Like 410 is where I had the 5-wave finish. I think that was like 0.3 at the 5-wave. Like it was like 411.05 or something. Wait, where are we in the retracement? Oh lord. Retracement's nowhere near. The long-term retracement's not all the way until like 420. But let's see what the short-term retracement is.
I think if it breaks like the upper trend line, then we have some good news. You know how like there's a trend line down too?
Yeah.
Like for the daily. I might just buy a leap.
Honestly, not a terrible idea.
But it has to be like good news or something too.
Sure, yeah. Okay, so I just put in the retracement or extension? No, retracement. Oh, we just crossed a significant level today. Yeah, 397 was one of the retracement levels. Yeah, past that 415 is the next level I have for this. So, guess we keep moving up. That is the idea.
Dang, my calls are up almost 300%. I'm at 200. I held.
Trey, we always say that, but we know we never hold, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe we should just have it like, yeah, tomorrow, Lotto Friday, we only buy one contract and just see what happens. Just 300% or nothing. Oh, but apparently SPY just did break out of some resistance. Let's move at 398.
Yeah, I have like 399.
Yeah, apparently the 15-minute there was like a trend line coming down. Yeah, 15-minute there's a trend line coming down since August 30th, if you see it.
Let me see. Dude, it has like 1, 2, 3, 3 bounces at around like the 390 level. I mean,
yeah, that too. Also, I think 15-minute just had to go short. Yeah.
400. We need to test the 400. Come on.
Question is, do we get up there? 30 minutes, still another 15 minutes to close here. But for the stream, I will be calling it just slightly early here. I am very, very sore. But yeah, okay, hope you guys have a great rest of your day.